Welcome back to our distance learning. It's me again, teacher Jenny. Yes, and today is your finals examination day. Are you ready to do your examination, everyone? Did you review your lesson? Okay, so teacher will help you to review more about your final examination today. And before you begin with your examination, everyone, take out and prepare your examination materials. You need your pencil, eraser, and some crayons or colored pencil. Okay, everyone? Okay, so before we begin, everyone, what day is today? Today is Monday. Let's read the day and the date all together. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. How about the month? July. J-U-L-Y. July. How about the date today? The date is 26. And then we have two letters on top, T-H. 26. And the year is 2021 or 2021. Now everyone, repeat after teacher. Let's read the day and the date one more time. Monday, July 26, and 2021. Okay. As I was saying a while ago in our introduction, today is your finals examination day. Now, in your finals examination, do not open your textbook, okay? No textbook. No opening of your notebook. No notebook, okay? And then you cannot ask from mommy or daddy's help, okay? Okay, so today, let's do some review and teacher will guide you how to answer your finals examination. Now, this will be your finals examination, the same, okay? Teacher will help you to write the teacher's name. So, your finals examination level is pre-kindergarten, your level. Next duration is 90 minutes. So you have a lot of time to finish this finals examination, okay? And then teacher's name, you can write teacher's name or teacher will help to write for you, okay? And then if you know how to write your name, much better. Or teacher will help also how to write your name, okay? You can ask mommy or daddy to help how to spell your name, but don't ask what is the answer, okay? Good job. Next, level pre-kid, you can copy this one. Branch, ABI 17, Vengsreng, okay? Next, your gender, F for girl, M for boy. Very good. And your room, teacher will write for you, okay? Now, for your finals examination, we have 4 different categories. First, we have vocabulary. The total score is 40 marks. Second is math, 20 marks. The third one is your art, 20 marks. And the last category is writing, 20 marks. The total is 100 marks, or the total is 100 scores. Do you want to get 100, everyone? Okay. Now watch this review and guide videos so you know how to answer your finals correctly. Okay, everyone? Good job. So, let's begin. Alright, class, for our first category, which is the vocabulary, we have 4 parts. Now, for letter A, you are going to match the shape to the same shape of the object. Okay, so here's the example, everyone. So first shape is circle, right? Now, let's find the object or picture that the same shape of circle. So, how about the first picture? Pizza, right? Is it pizza the same shape of a circle? No, it's not, right? Then, go to the next picture. What picture is this? Ball, correct. Now, ball and circle, the same shape? Yes, correct. Now, let's match the circle shape going to the picture. Okay, everyone? Good job. And then, the next one is the triangle. And the triangle, the same shape like pizza. Now, let's trace go to pizza. So this is the example how you answer the part A in our first category, vocabulary. Okay? Now let's move on to part B. In part B, circle the correct letter. Now look at the picture. And then, you have to identify or you have to think, what picture is this? What do you think? What picture is this? Lion. Very good. And lion begins of what letter, everyone? So, we have 3 letters in here. The first letter is letter T. T for lion. No, it's not. How about letter L? L for lion? Yes, correct. And we have the remaining letter J for lion? No, it's not. Therefore, the correct letter for this picture is the letter L. Very good. Now, circle the letter L. Okay, everyone? Don't forget to follow the instructions carefully, okay? To avoid mistake. Okay, everyone? Okay. Now, that is our part B, okay? Now, let's move on to part C. Look and match. Look at the picture and then match to the correct letter. Now, let's start with number 1 picture. The first picture is apple, right? And apple begins of what letter, everyone? Letter A, correct. Now, let's find letter A. Is this letter A? No, this one is letter F. How about this one? Very good, everyone. Look and match. Now, we found the correct letter for this picture. Then match. Okay? Next picture is fish. And fish begins letter F. Okay. So this is your part C. So look at the picture and then match to the correct letter. Now, let's move on to our last part, the part D. In part D, you are going to write the letter. Now, take a look of these pictures, everyone. So, this picture, teacher just draw for you. But in your finals, you will see a real picture or a cartoon picture, something like that. But you have to identify one more time that picture and then write the correct letter. Okay? So as you can see, we have 1, 2, and 3. And how about this one? 1, 2, and 3 also. This where you will put your answer. The same in your final examination paper. So, look at this example or guidelines for our part D. Look at this picture. What picture is this? For example, number 1. This is a cat. And cat is what letter? Letter C. Now, your answer, you will put it down in here, near to the number 1. So, let's write letter C, capital C and small letter C. Don't forget, okay? Next is number 2 picture. This is a monkey. And monkey is letter M. Correct. Now, number 2, this is number 2 also. Write your answer in here. So, let's write capital M and small letter M. Okay? Got it? Next, number 3. What picture is this? An egg. So, this is egg. Egg is letter E. So, write your answer in here, capital E and small letter E. Okay, everyone? Good job. So, that is our first category, vocabulary. We have 4 parts. The first part, letter A, match the shape to the same shape of the picture or object. Number 2, circle the correct letter. So, look at the picture first and then circle the correct letter. Part C, look at the picture and then match to the correct letter. And part D, you are going to look at these pictures and then write your answers below, okay? So, teacher provide you 1, 2, 3 until 15. So, that is our first category, vocabulary. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now, let's move on to our second category, which is math. And math is, we have 3 parts. Part A, Part B, and Part C. Now, let's talk about the Part A of our second category, math. Now, for our Part A, you are going to count these picture or objects and then write the number inside the box. So, let's count this. What is this, everyone? These are circles, okay? So, this video is just an example, not exactly the same pictures in our finals, but almost the same the instructions and guidelines. Don't worry, I just explain how to answer the finals examination. Okay, everyone? Okay. Now, let's continue part A. Count the pictures and then write your answer inside the box. Okay, so let's start. Number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. We have how many circles or pictures? 5. So let's write number 5 inside the box. Got it, everyone? Okay, so that is our part A. Now, let's move on to our part B. Count and circle. Like in our part A, you are also going to count. But this time, in our part B, we have choices. 3 choices. Now, let's count and circle the correct number. Okay? Let's count this. What pictures are these? Flowers. So, let's count how many flowers in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers. Now, let's find and circle the number 7. Here, the first number is number 6. So we don't look for this number. Next number is number 5. And this is not also the number that we are looking for. How about the third number? This is number 7, right? Correct. Now, let's circle number 7 because this is the number that we are looking for. So, let's circle number 7. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now, for our third and final part for this category is read, count, and color. So you need your crayons, everyone, or colored pencil. So everyone, you need to read this number, count how many numbers and how many objects that you need to color. Okay, everyone? So for example, teacher have colored pencil in here. So take out your colored pencil. You can choose what color do you like? Okay, everyone? So let's start. This is number 3, right? And let's count. What pictures are these? Leaves, right? Now, we need to color 3 leaves only. So let's count this first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need 3 leaves. So let's count. For example, this is my colored pencil, okay? So, let's color, for example, 1, 2, and 3. So, we need to color or not? No. So, we need 1, 2, 3 leaves only. Got it, everyone? Okay. So, that is our third and final part. Part C for this second category. So, I'm going to give you another review for our second category, which is math. We have count the objects or picture and then write inside the box the number. Next, for part B, count the pictures and circle the correct number, okay? And for our part C, read the number and then count how many and then color. Got it? Okay. Now, let's move on to our third category, which is art. And for our art, you are going to color the numbers. So, you will see different numbers in your final examination paper, right? But teacher will just give you the example. So this is the example. What number is this? Number 1. And we need to follow the instruction that teacher give to you. So the instruction is you need to color number 1 yellow. So we need to find color yellow. So this is color yellow, right? And you need to color the number 1 to color yellow only. Got it, everyone? So you need to color this number 1 to color yellow. So make sure to follow our instruction. Got it, everyone? Okay, good job. So that is our art part 3 category. So that is our third category, art. Then let's move on to our last category, fourth category, which is the writing. And in our writing, everyone, you need to complete the missing letters. So this is very familiar to all of you because we often and teacher give it to you most of the time, right? To practice your writing. So you know how to fill in these blanks, everyone? You know how to answer? Okay, so you are going to fill in these letters in order. So, let's try to review one more time. So, this is letter A. What's next? Letter B. So, write capital B and small b. Next is letter C, letter D, letter E, letter F, letter G. Next is letter H, letter I, letter J, letter K, letter L. Next is letter M, letter M. Next is letter N, correct. N, O. This is letter P. Next is letter Q, correct. R, S, T. Missing is letter U. Let's write letter U. Next is letter V. The missing letter is letter W. Let's write capital W and small w. Next is letter X, letter Y, and the last letter is letter Z. Okay, everyone? So don't forget to write the capital letters and the small letters also. Okay? So that is our final exam reviewer. I hope that you understand teacher's instruction and make sure to follow all of those instructions. Okay, everyone? And if you are not clear for some part, you can ask your teacher also. Okay? Thank you for watching our video, everyone, and good luck to your final examination. And I'll see you again next time. Goodbye!